survivors, it's your girl Ruriko here, and today my darlings, we're back here for another video. If you're not subscribed and you're still here, we go, thank you so much. It's greatly appreciated. I love you. This is the first time seeing your girl, seeing my face. Oh my god, where have you been? Welcome. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell, because you won't be disappointed on any of the content I bring to you. I promise. Without further ado, guys, it's a review, guys. So today, my darlings, we are reviewing the Lip Trends Revolution Makeup Revolution London Lip Ultra Vamp 2017. Now, I saw this, I know it's 2017, but I saw this and I thought to myself, these colours are absolutely delicious, absolutely lovely, and I thought to myself, let me bring it to my channel. This ain't necessarily going to be a review where you can say, oh, should I buy it or not, because most of you probably have bought it by now, but I'm just going to show you guys what this is all about and my thoughts on this product, because it's so cute, and you know I love me some red, and there's a really dark red in here, and I thought, oh my god, it's like lip lava, darling. So this is the packaging, as you guys just saw, very just plain Jane, telling you all the ingredients and so on and so forth. Gold, black, very snazzy. When you open it, this is what you're greeted with, a little plastic pulley like so. Yeah, nothing fantastic. Then you just basically pop those out, and then you are greeted with, oh, it got stickies on the back because they were stuck to the actual plastic, so bear that in mind if you do go out and buy these. And this is basically what they look like. You get so much for your coins, which I will tell you how much in the end. Okay, so this one is called Lip Euphoria, and it's a very cute reddy kind of color. So this is called Lip Euphoria. It's a very reddy, cute color. Cannot wait to use you, darling. And then this one is called Amplification. Wow, okay. This one was like a purple, actually, now that I'm seeing it close up. Then we have Lip Share. Okay. And this is what this one looks like. Let's get down to business, darlings. So I've got a little bit of lip gloss on my lips like so. So I'm just going to use my trusted Primark wipes to just go ahead and wipe my lips. Now that I've wiped that all off, which one should I try first? Decisions. Ooh, let's go for the Lip Share. So when you open it, this is what you're greeted with. And then we're just gonna apply, honeys. Wow, that is some serious color there. Oh. So this is the Share one. Just to let you guys know that these are all 3 different formulas. So that's very cool. So normally you'll get the same formula throughout when you get like a set of lipsticks or lip liqueurs. But this is the Share one. This is normally good for when you want to put over other lipsticks. But I find that you can obviously use it alone. You can obviously use it as a standalone. It's very pigmented. As you can see, the pigment is there. The pigment is there, sweetie. The pigment is there. It's come on very well. It's not sticky, which obviously is good. Also, I didn't prep and prime my lips. I didn't prime, I didn't prep, so you're seeing it how it would normally go on a normal lip, which is so good, but it will transfer. So when you're kissing and you're smooching and you're doing all those things, darling, just know that your partner or whoever will get this on them as well. So it's good to know, so that you know, when you're putting on a t-shirt or anything like that, it's good to know that you just take extra care, because it will transfer onto your clothes. So this is the Share one, darlings. This is your first lip swatch. Do you like it? Is it cute? Right, so I'm going to wipe that off. Obviously I can show you as well if it comes off very easy. And I'm then going to go in with the other 2 colours, darling. Ooh, it comes off quite well. Comes off very well. That's very good. That's why I would say it transfers. It transfers very good as well. Bear that in mind. And it doesn't stain the lips, which is good. Non-sticky. That was a non-sticky formula. Didn't stain my lips. So we're gonna go on with the next one, which is the Amplification. So I'm guessing this one has kind of like a plump sensation, like it plumps it up. So let's see. Oh, this is beautiful. I love purple, and this is dark, very vampire-y. Oh, what? What? Oh, this is a very matty, it feels very matty. Let's go. So this is the lip amplification and it is Dark Honeys. Are you seeing that? Wow, this is very dark, very vampire. You feel it, not sticky. Again, not sticky, because we hate sticky lip, and I found that when I put it on that it spreaded out. So at first I was a bit worried because some bits were darker, some bits were lighter, but eventually it all kind of spreaded out and it gave me that full coverage, the same color all the way through, the same texture all the way through, so I don't have thinny bits here or big lumps of it. I don't feel too much of a wet lip. It is beautiful. Oh my god. And I don't really do dark colors, but this, honey, is black with purple, with a it's very purple, it's purple, but it's so dark that it gives that dark kind of black effect as well. But yeah, yes, this is the third color. Do you like? Am I giving you vampire? I love it, I love it, I love it, I love it, I love it a lot. So coming to the end, the last color. Look at that. So good, guys. So good. That looks so wrong. Would you still kiss me? Now that that's all wiped off, I'm going to go in with the Lip Euphoria, sweetie. And this one is kind of like a burgundy red kind of color. Yeah, I'm looking forward to this. Absolutely looking forward to this. It looks absolutely gorgeous. And I'm about to do this lip swatch for you guys right now. Here we go. That is like a blood red. Very vampire-y, very bloody. I like it. And this is Euphoria, baby. Oh my god, I am feeling it. It is so bloody, so red, so in your face. Literally, if you was doing like a red eye and you put this on, bang, it is just going to pop. Oh my god, I hardly wear like really bold red colors. I normally have like a little light pinky red, you know, a little cute little ooh. But to know that, just to see this on my skin, I'm like, why haven't you been bold before, girl? Like, this is really nice. One thing I like about it, it does not stain. So you know, like when if you go over the lip line, because you know sometimes you go over the lip line, I go over the lip line, I go over the lip line. So sometimes you go over the lip line and then it's like, oh my god, let me wipe it off, and then you end up with this red stain. It absolutely doesn't stain because I went over my lip line and I used cotton buds and it was just, it came off so easy, so quick. I love it. I absolutely love all of these lip liqueurs. Are so beautiful. This is the Vampire collection from Revolution, sweetie. And yes, regardless if it's the 2017, 2016, 2015, 2018, 2019, these will always be in fashion because people love bold colors. They love the bold, they love in your face, you know what I mean? Like, some people really just love that, and I love bold and I love in your face, but I just never went with the bold red. You know, red is red. When people think of lipstick, they think of red. Oh, lipstick red, because that was the bold color back in the day. But now we got blues, purples, yellows, greens. Like, we're out there now, so it's nice to put back on the red on your lip and it still be like, wow, I have not seen that red before. That red is popping, that black purple is popping, that light red is popping. This is really cute. I'm feeling it. Does it go in Ruriko's bag of tricks? Honey, you already know. Yes, it does, and it only cost me £4, 2p change, because right now Revolution has got a massive deal on, sweetie. So go over there, get your stuff. Yes, honey, get your stuff, get your cheap makeup with the high-end quality, sweetie. Revolution, darling, has got you covered. So is it worth your coins? Yes, it is. And I just said it's cheap, it's cheerful. Come on, it's lovely, it's lovely. If you can do a little bit of transfer, this is beautiful. You get free full size, overly full size lip liqueurs that are non-sticky. Yeah, they don't stain and they're just beautiful, so why not? So it's been your girl Ruriko Yamazaki here. Let's know that your love and your order anybody needs, darling. And I'll catch you, yes, you, the one that came to the end of the video. How do we go? I'll catch you, honey bunny, on another video. Yeah.